Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy. Finding the mass of block 1 is easier than you think. We will use Newton's laws to solve this physics puzzle in just 60 seconds. To determine the unknown mass, we first apply Newton's second law to the entire system. The net force is just the weight of block 2, which equals the total mass times acceleration. Because the system starts from rest, we can use kinematic equations to find acceleration. We need to measure the distance block 2 falls and the time it takes to reach the floor. These measurements suffice to calculate acceleration and solve for the unknown mass. Therefore, we only need a meter stick and a stopwatch. Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Avoid rushing and watch signs. Trust given values and check steps for option C.